Ever wonder how a simple bundle of twigs became an essential tool in every household across the globe? Welcome to Unboxd Origins. I'm Howie, your resident science geek and accidental trivia sponge.
And I'm Wyatt. I ask the big questions. Sometimes philosophical, often skeptical, always curious.
Today, we're digging into how did the humble broom become a household essential? Let's start with a trip back in time. Picture this: ancient civilizations, mud floors, and a dire need for cleanliness. The earliest brooms were nothing more than a handful of twigs tied together. The first evidence of brooms appeared in ancient civilizations like Egypt and Greece. They were primarily used to sweep away dirt, but also to fend off bad spirits, because, two birds with one stone.
I suppose that's rather efficient, cleaning the floor and your aura at the same time. But how did we leap from twigs to today's synthetic marvels?
Great question, Wyatt. Fast forward to the Middle Ages. In Europe, broom making became somewhat of an art form. People started using sturdy materials like birch twigs and straw. This period saw the birth of the besom, a round broom made by binding twigs around a handle. And believe it or not, the witch's broomstick legend comes from this very design.
Ah, the flying broomstick. I always wondered if that was just an early form of transportation or a clever way to avoid cleaning altogether.
Flying would certainly make cleaning easier, but on the ground, things evolved. By the 18th century, the broom industry in America took a significant turn thanks to a Massachusetts farmer named Levi Dickinson. He crafted a broom using sorghum, a type of grain which was more durable and effective than traditional straw. His wife loved it, and soon, word spread.
Aha! Here's where it gets interesting. This farmer's innovation wasn't just about creating a better broom. It sparked a cottage industry. Communities began forming around broom making, and broom corn, a variety of sorghum, became highly sought after.
Exactly, broomcorn brooms swept the nation, pun intended, but the revolution didn't stop there. In 1797, the Shakers, a religious sect known to their craftsmanship, improved on Dickinson's design by flattening the broom, making it more efficient for sweeping flat surfaces.
Ingenious! But I find it fascinating how something as mundane as a broom can reflect societal shifts, from communal craftsmanship to industrial mass production.
You're spot on, Wyatt. With the Industrial Revolution, broom factories emerged, and by the 19th century, brooms became widely accessible. Innovations like machine stitching ensured durability, and the introduction of synthetic fibers in the 20th century made them even more efficient and affordable. So why does the story of the broom matter? It's more than a tale of domestic utility. It's a reflection of human ingenuity and adaptation, from ancient rituals to industrial breakthroughs.
Indeed. It shows how a simple tool can evolve alongside society, adapting to our needs and technologies. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary objects have extraordinary histories.
If you found this journey through the broom's history enlightening, don't sweep it under the rug. Like, subscribe, and share our episode to uncover more hidden origins with us.
Who would have thought a bundle of twigs could hold such sweeping significance?